Okay, welcome to once again for accountancy subject grade 12. So this session is very important one because we are going to discuss the project work. It's a very important one for project work. So you know that 20 marks for the project. So here the project can be classified into three parts. Okay, now let's see one by one. What is the three parts? Okay, the first part is project file that we'll discuss later detailing. So they allotted 4 marks. Second one is written test, 12 marks. So you have to attend 1 hour test, 1 hour, like 1 hour test. You have to write 1 hour. Okay. So third one, Viva, 4 marks. So what is that? Based upon your project file, the external officer, that means a teacher coming from the outside, they will interact with you about your project. Okay, that's what 3 classification. As a project file 4 marks, as a written test 12 marks, then Viva 4 marks. Okay, finally comes to, as we know, 20 marks. That's what here we mentioned. Okay, so how you are going to prepare? Why the requirement of project work? Okay, that is very important. So when you project பண்ணனும்னா என்னென்ன you have to do. So first file நம்ம அதுக்கு பின்னாடி பார்ப்போம். So written test and Viva, it is conducted on fixed day. So they will allotted one date for you. Maybe usually January end, mostly or February first week. So now next year, that is 2021 next year. So now maybe they can conduct some specific date after February or like that. Okay. So before that, you have to do your work, isn't it? That's what the preparation of the project work. These 2 written test and Viva, they will give you one date. So that date we have to come to do the 1 hour exam. Okay, whenever you come that particular date, you have to prepare what you done your project file. Okay, based upon that, the particular day, once you completed your exam, 1 hour exam, you have to attend with Viva. So they will interact with you. So what is your project, why you choose a particular topic? Okay, that's what the idea. So the purpose of written test here, the objective, everything, the objective is very important. So what is the purpose of written test? Okay, so what you are going to write in the written test, that 1 hour session. They will ask you 2 marks, maybe 2 6-mark questions. So 2 6-mark, 12 marks. Okay. So where you will come? So before that, the objectives of written test you have to know. See, to give them exposure to analyze the financial statement of business. So you are in a position to analyze the business, how the business they conducted. That's what very important. But analyze the financial statement of business. Okay, and help them derive meaningful information. That is very important. Okay, and conclusion thereon. So after the analysis of a financial statement, what is your conclusion? Okay, that is the objectives of written test. That's what they can expect. So you have to do that accordingly. Okay, so naturally, which chapter is very important? Okay, so to know how effectively the students can derive conclusion and express them. So that is very important. How you are interact with particular written test. So for that, once you know the analyze the financial statement, you should be strong in what? These accounting ratios, as you know very well. So 4 classification of accounting ratio. What is that? One is liquidity ratio, what are the current ratio and the liquidity ratio. Correct, that's what liquidity ratio, thereafter solvency ratio, then activity ratio, finally profitability ratio. So you should be strong around mostly some 15 ratios it is there. So in the accounting ratios. Right? So in the written test, mostly they cover to analyze the financial statement based upon this 4 type of ratios in accounting ratio. So you should be strong. So you should be practice that. So for that only you have to understand subject point of view. So you have to understand subject point of view. First, how you are strong in the subject. So for that you want to practice. You have to understand very clearly what's the meaning of liquidity ratio. So what is the meaning of solvency ratio? So what are the formulas they are going to apply for that particular one? So what is the meaning of activity ratio? As you know very well, what is the activity ratio? Working turnover. Okay, different turnover ratio we are going to discuss. Finally, profitability ratio. It's very important. So usually the business for the purpose of earning profit only. So what are the probability they are going to calculate? As you know very well, that's profit. Net profit. Okay, isn't it? That's what the 4 type of accounting ratio you have to do well, you have to practice well. For that, based upon the question they asked, express the written test, 12 marks. So should be strong about this 4 ratios. That's why very, very important one. So written test, for that you have to prepare, practice continuously, that you have to do. Okay, that one part is over. Okay. Now go for the Viva. So what is that Viva 4 marks? Okay, that we're going to discuss now. What is the objectives of Viva? Okay. Okay, number written test part. Written test now 1 hour you have to write. So the 2 questions they asked from analysis of financial statement. So you have to strong in the 4 ratios. Now the Viva. So Viva 4 marks. What is the objectives of Viva? That's what very important. Okay, the objectives of Viva. So what is the reason behind the Viva? That means the external examiner interact with you. So our எப்படி உங்களுக்கு கேள்வி கேட்பார்? See, and the objectives first based upon Viva. To assess whether the student has understood the topic covered. So what are the topic you taken, especially this project file, linking with this project file. Okay. What is the topic covered and is able to express. So any question related with particular record file, how the students are expressed and they can able to answer. So அவங்க பதில் சொல்றாங்களா அப்படின்னு பார்ப்பாங்க, செக் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே, இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் இதை நீங்கள் தான் பண்ணீங்களா? ஓகே, that is very important. So from the project, they ask the question, how you are boldly answer the question. That's why how you are expressed in a way that whatever the question asked by the examiner, according to your reply, able to express, they can satisfy. That's what the main purpose, objective of the Viva. Okay. So to assess whether the project file, that is very important. See, the project file presented by the student is genuine and prepared by him only. So the external examiner check பண்ணுவார், அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஃபைல் நீங்கள் தான் செஞ்சீங்களா, அதே ஆர் யூ ப்ரிப்பேர்ட், நீங்கள் தான் அந்த ப்ராஜெக்டை பண்ணீங்களா. இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இப்போ நம்ம அம்மா எப்படி சாம்பார் வைக்கிறாங்கன்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். நமக்கு தெரியும் அம்மா எப்படி சாம்பார் வைக்கிறாங்க. அப்போது திடீர்னு சாம்பார் பக்கத்து வீட்டிலேருந்து வருது, அப்போ நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடும் ஓகே இந்த சாம்பார் நம்ம வீட்டில் வைக்கல. ஸோ அப்போ யூ நோ வெரி வெல் who prepared. Based upon that, according to her interaction with you, the examiner will identify whether the project you only done it. That's not very important. The project will presented by the student, genuine and prepared by him only. அது கண்டுபிடிச்சிடார், ஓகே ப்ராஜெக்ட் நீங்கள் தான் பண்ணீங்களா. அப்போ you should be mostly concentrate on how to prepare project file. That is very very important. So project file based பண்ணி தான் they can be able to ask question to you. Well, வெளியில் எங்கேயும் போக மாட்டார், don't worry. Maybe some common question. So in a project, what are the project once you prepare, they verify the authenticity, whether are you only done the project. So are you able to answer what are the question asked by the external examiner. அப்போ அந்த particular dateல project file, based upon the project file, you have to prepare project file. இப்போ நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம், எப்படி ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஃபைல் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலாம், the 4 more. So based upon this, one particular date, you are allotted for written test. After the written test, again they will call you for the, based upon your project file, you will do the Viva. The first objective was to assess whether the student has understood the topic covered. That is very important. And they able to express. ஸோ நீங்கள் அந்த டாபிக் கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா, அந்த ரெஸ்பெக்டிவ் அந்த சாப்டர் இந்த அந்த ப்ராஜெக்டை பேஸ் பண்ணி நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணீங்க, ஸோ அதை நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா, அந்த அனலிசிஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபினான்ஷியல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இப்படி பின்னாடி பார்ப்போம் டீட்டெயிலாக. ரெண்டாவது விஷயம் என்னது, டு அசஸ் வெதர் தி ப்ராஜெக்ட் வில் பிரசன்டட் பை தி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இஸ் ஜென்யூன் ஒன். அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் நீங்கள் தான் செஞ்சீங்களா. Then you only prepare. That's what prepared file only. That you interact with exam. So, it is a work for you. So, you will be very strongly to prepare project file. You can easily come and do written test. Written test and already you studied in all the different types of ratio. So, it is not from the outside. So, whatever is studied very well in particular chapter, they clearly told that the written test, they can assess you 2 questions in 6 marks. And the question is based on and the 4 type of ratio you can very. So, on the written test, you will go for the Viva. So, you have to know the man is very important. So, whenever the particular room, examiner sitting in the room, so once they call your name, how you have to enter in the room, then how you are going. Okay, so whenever the examiner will say, okay, now sit down, then only you have to sit. So suddenly become entered inside the room, then you have to, if you sit like this, they will feel what? The wrong impression. So, if you room first, how you are entered inside, your dress code, everything. So, you have to, sir, good morning, sir. So, you have to introduce also, good morning, I am so and so. You have to name. Then you will say, okay, sit down. Then you have to sit in the chair. Okay, then how you are sitting? Yes, yeah. The body posture is very, very important. That's what the Viva. So, usually the IAS exam, you can see the same manner like little bit smaller. In the IAS exam, the interview is very, very important role. So, Viva is nothing but what? They will interview you. So, same manner here, how you are entering inside the room, how you are sitting, how you are explaining your pronunciation, your expression of words, how your body language, everything they will observe. You have to practice your idea. Okay, that's what the Viva. So, whatever our project, you are going to explain, not the others project. Okay. So, you have to be strong in the project naturally. How you be strong project only you have to do. So, what are the information collected by outside, the project you have to say. So, if you have the project correct, confusion no tension, relax. You can come, enter inside, and now the examiner will call you. You have to come inside, you have to sit like this. Then, also, switch you have to tell your name. Then, whatever the question asked by the examiner, then you have to reply. So, this is the procedure for the Viva, 4 marks. So, 12 plus 4, total 16 marks. And the 16 mark is the base in the project file. The base foundation, the record file. Will be prepared and the record based on our question paper. With the return test, as usual, your what? Ratios. So that's what this word is very important. Paper. That's why I written here. So question, definitely relate only the project, so not from the apart. But generalized related subject according to your general knowledge, how you are strong in the current scenario. Maybe they can ask. For right now, the COVID season, how the business trend like that, according to the project. So what project you have mentioned. Okay, related to that question they can ask. Okay, so to check the authenticity of the work. So, your work correct check to check that students understand the idea behind the project. So, the project is exact idea before the project. So, whatever the project, whether you really understood or not. So, other individual check. So, question related to the project only. What are the project file, what you have done, whether you understood or not. Accordingly, only raise the question. Just 2 or 3 questions. Maximum for question. Matter of 3 or 4 minutes. That's what you are doing. So, understood. That's what the 2 in-person session. Written test. Just you have to write the test 1 hour. If you are strong in our accounting ratio, accordingly 2 questions 1 hour. This is the way you are simply interact with your examiner, external examiner. So your subject teacher also will sit simultaneously. Your examiner will ask the question. Then you can interact with your external examiner. That's the only thing. With Viva and written test, the question given only the maybe the external examiner or questions are prepared by the respective subject teacher, in particular school, whoever they handling the subject, they will give the questions. Okay, that's what the 2 things. Just no worry about that. You can easily do it. Okay. So written test, natural as usual your examination scenario. Just you have to write 1 hour test as a Viva. Only should be very careful how you are answering the question. You have to listen carefully from the external examiner. What is the question is asked? Okay. So now we are going for the project file. So what is the importance of project file? How you are going to do? Now let's see how you have to do your project file. Okay. Okay, so now we discussed how to do the written test, then Viva. So very important one, very first one, project file. So this is the only thing we have to take time consumption. So suddenly you can't do it, isn't it? So the project file consists of 4 marks. So before that, what you are going to do? See, first page of the file should describe title of work, then identity of student, thereafter the school and teacher concerned. So the 4 important information. So before that, when you are going to start the project, first one is what? The very first 2 pages, automatically the respective school will send the format of the copy, like acknowledgement copy, certificate copy. Okay, that's the guidelines given by the school. So that's what, these are the information first page. What is your title of work? What project, name of the project you have chosen. So thereafter, identity of student, name your respective name. That's what your acknowledgement. I am so and so student of like that school name, whatever. Okay, the covering page. Then school name, the emblem of the school, the name of the school, and the teacher's consent. So these are the information covered for the first page. As you know very well. Usually as a project, first page. So as you have to take like this, so whatever you have to prepare, the same manner, number of pages consist. So you have to do like this in a scrapbook like this. Okay, say A4 size paper, very quality of the paper. Okay, that is very very important. First page. So thereafter, the index is very very important. The index column. What is the index? So that is the index where clearly mentioned what you are going to do. So like even your book, even your school book. Okay. So once a subject has an index, you have to go to a particular page, isn't it? That's what the index is very very important to indicate column of file of work. So which page? So as a date, whatever the teacher's remarks and signature. So that is very very important. So the index is having the very major role playing. So அப்போ இண்டெக்ஸ் கண்டிப்பாக எழுதும். அப்போ இந்த இண்டெக்ஸை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் உங்கள் எக்ஸ்டர்னல் எக்ஸாமினர் சடனாக அந்த பர்டிகுலர் பேஜ் போவார். அப்போது வாட் பேஜ் நம்பர் இது கண்டென்ட் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன். ஸோ ஒரு பேஜில் எந்த எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் கொடுக்குறீங்களோ அந்த பேஜ் நம்பர் இண்டெக்ஸில் கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் வாட் திஸ் ஒன் செகண்ட் பார்ட் இண்டெக்ஸ். ஸோ தட் இஸ் த இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ரோல். யூ ஹேவ் டு ட்ரா தி லைன். ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போ தான் நம்ம ஃபார்மேட் ஆஃப் தி ப்ராஜெக்ட் வரும். எப்படி ஒரு ஃபார்மேட் ஆஃப் தி ப்ராஜெக்ட் என்னென்ன இருக்கணும் அந்த ஃபார்மேட். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் நேம் ஆஃப் தி ப்ராஜெக்ட். ஸோ ஹியர் யூ ஹேவ் டு சூஸ், யூ ஹேவ் டு ஐடென்டிஃபை தி ப்ராஜெக்ட். ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு ஐடென்டிஃபை தி ப்ராஜெக்ட் only you have to plan the project. So once you have to planning the project, you can execute the project, isn't it? Thereafter, finally, you can interpret and conclusion. Very important, you want to identify the project. அப்போ இங்கே ப்ராஜெக்ட் என்ன மாதிரி ப்ராஜெக்ட் நீங்கள் பண்ண போகிறீங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ இங்கே தான் வந்து whether it's a comparative statement or common size statement as a cash flow statement. இங்கே தான் வந்து நீங்கள் யாருன்னா all you have to think about, you are like a businessman. அப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஃபைலில். அப்போ you have to choose the project, name of the project. அப்போ அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் நான் ஏன் சூஸ் பண்ணேன். அப்போ objective is very important. The purpose behind, what is the objective, the purpose behind of my project, that is also very important. So period of study. அப்போ உங்கள் period of study naturally என்ன வரும். அப்போ financial year 2020 and 21. Okay, that's the number period of study. So you have to mention that. So source material, how you are collecting your source material. Then tools of analysis used, எந்த tools use பண்ணுறீங்க. The accounting ratios, which accounting ratio you are going to apply, that is very very important. Okay, அப்புறம் processing and tabulation of data. So you have to draw process work, the graph work அதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் பண்ணணும். So that's what graphic presentation, P chart. Okay, then bar diagram and graphs. இதெல்லாம் வந்து explanation is a picture. Okay, then finally you are going to derivation, from that you want interpretation, then finally for the conclusion. So any assumption, if any certain discussion, you have to give some assumption. Suppose these are the points for format of project. Okay, so upon the format of project, first என்ன பண்ணணும், you have to choose the project. So once you have to choose, thereafter you have to plan how you have to do, thereafter execution, thereafter other discussion. Okay, so Very important. Every number project panna. You have to write our handwriting. That's what I mentioned very clearly here. Neatly handwritten. Okay. So black pen or mostly blue pen. Blue pen is mostly better, favorable one. So blue pen and neatly handwritten and presentable with page number. That's why the index is here mentioned in that. That's why very very important. So whatever the index you want to mention here for as this, so whatever the page number, next one you want any index here, any number, you have to draw lines heading. So whatever your content description as an index one by one here. So in the index page number, the respective content page number, ரொம்ப correct. That's why should be very careful for that. Okay, that's what they are trying to say. So each step of the solutions need to be highlight பண்ணணும். How you have to highlight. எப்படி நான் அரே பண்ணேன். How you have come to the conclusion. So the conclusion is very very important. You have to mention the box. So end of the thing, any conclusion you highlight it. You have to concentrate on the examiner. நான் என்ன கொண்டு வந்தேன். What is my conclusion? Box மாதிரி போட்டு highlight it. That's what box மாதிரி போட சொல்றாங்க. So you have to highlight like this. Okay. So எப்படி evaluate பண்ணுவாங்க. The project evaluate பண்ணுவாங்க. So should be content பார்ப்பாங்க. Then coverage. And எப்படி கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. அப்புறம் presentation. The presentation of handwritten neatly wherever the graphs discussion, wherever the graph presentation, each charts, thereafter bar diagram, other information. Okay. So content, coverage, presentation, then how the interpretation and the conclusion. So very important. What quality of both. Neat, correct, you have to learn this. So front side, back side, so whatever this paper like this. Okay. So whatever this paper, then finally back side, how you are doing. Like the same manner you have to do all. Okay. So presentation. So what are your total number of pages? So எல்லாம் பண்ணணும்னா first number என்ன பண்ணணும். So what you are going to do? You have to do all first rough work. So how you have to do rough work? So in the project you are thinking as a businessman. So suppose you are going to start the business. What business going to start? Like you have to sell the computer or any stationery or anything, even I am selling some textiles like that. So என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to do what? You know very well. See, now what are the project work? What you are going to do inside? That is very important. Okay. So very important. Neatly handwritten is very very important. Here I am cleaning this here, this one. So evaluation, you know, content, coverage, presentation, interpretation. So every project பண்ணணும். That is very very important. So you know the structure. That's what, as a businessman, once you start the business, you want to make it what? Business transaction, isn't it? So business transaction at your home. So you have to plan how to start from April 2019 to 2020. That's what your financial year. You have to plan accordingly. Okay. Financial year is very very important. Correct. So don't confuse here. Period of study. Okay. So for that you are going to do project for next year. So this is what you are going to do. Mention the date for currently, because you can't do it 2020 to 21, because you are going to submit the project next year maybe before February. So you can't mention 2020 and 21. That's what, always previous year. Okay. So this is what your April to next year March 31st. So you want to make it business transaction. For each month, April, how many transactions? For example, April. Some 3 or 4, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. So likewise, each month some 4 transactions. Accordingly, you have to bother about what is my capital contribution. So what is my expenses? So what is my salary I am going to plan? Likewise, we have to maintain what? First business transaction detailedly for each month. First we have to write a rough work. Take one notebook, fix April, how many transactions I am going to do. So what is my purchases? What is my sales for each month? So once your transaction is ready, thereafter going to prepare what? Journal entry, correct? Journal entries according to dates. So first duty, plan your transaction, business transaction. Some around each month 3 means 12 months, that is 6 transaction or even 40 transaction. That is very, very important. First work is what? You have to plan accordingly. What's your business? Accordingly, what is your capital? So what is your amount of the capital? Likewise, the business transaction you have to plan respectively according to number of months. First work over. Once your transaction ready, then you will move for the journal entries. Once your journal entries, you want to prepare ledger. Okay, once your ledger over, you want to do balancing, isn't it? Balancing. Then after your trial balance ready, so then you have to prepare 3 statements. One is trading account, then profit and loss account, thereafter balance sheet. Okay. So you know very well. Already you know in a final accounts. So in a financial statement, financial statement, balance sheet. Okay. So which is base your business transaction. So now you have to start with planning your how many business transactions up to you. For each month 5 transactions, total 12 month will become what? 12 into 4, 48 or depends some month even 3 or 4 transactions. So ultimately some 40 business transactions, first you have to write it neatly for each month. So date also very, very important. Suppose any date shouldn't fall Sunday like that. So that is why the idea, that's what you are planning of the project. That is very important. That's what as a project file you have to do like that. So you have to prepare a business transaction. Once the business transaction is ready, the remaining work up to this is very easy. The very important thing should be very careful in ledger balancing. Cash and the bank should be favorable balance. Okay, that is very important. Favorable balance. Accordingly, you have to fix business transaction. So your cash book never become negative balance, isn't it? Maybe even bank overdraft is possible. But in a cash book, you can't do negative balance. Correct? That's very shareable. So very careful. You have to check my cash book end of the year or finally what is my cash in hand. Should be positive figure. Accordingly, you want to plan a business transaction, your expenses, your journal entries, your ledger. So your trial balance should be tally. From the trial balance, you have to prepare trading account, then profit and loss account to get profit or loss. Finally, the balance sheet. From that, you have to do your financial statement of accounting ratios. You have to prepare accounting ratios, what you've done it according to your business, your transaction, everything your work. Once it is everything is over, you want to draw like this, your tabulation of data, your graphic work, your presentation, your P chart like that, your bar diagram. Okay. Thereafter, any outside company that you have to mention that. You have to make some outside company, you have to plan that to that particular company's name, whatever. Accordingly, you have to prepare what? Accounting ratio. Correct. Whatever the requirement of accounting ratio. That's what here very, very important. How you are starting your work? First you have to do rough work. Suddenly you can't prepare like this, isn't it? So first you have to do the rough work with whatever the work. So once everything rough work done, then move for your main pair work with your own handwritten with pen, blue pen. That is better. Okay, blue pen with one side. So whatever the one side, always that is very, very important. As a one side, okay. See here, suppose a one side. So everything should be one side only. See any bar diagram relating to particular concept, you can do it here. But you have to do one side. Page number very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be very careful. Once you finished everything over, then only you finally, once everything is over, finally you come for the index. So suddenly you can't do this, correct? So once everything is over, all your project details, everything over, according to the information, business transaction, up to your financial statement, then only you move for the main page. You can easily mention. So first you have to do rough work. Any notebook or rough work. Then main work here. Thereafter you have to edit it. That's why the project file is time consumption. Understood? That is the base. Based upon this project file only, in front of the examiner, they can interact the question. Accordingly, you can express about your project. If you have to do presentation, that's what. the way of presentation neatly you have to prepare. So it is your project. Okay, that is very, very important. Then what is my suggestion? You have to do two things. So once whatever you've done it, take one copy about you. Because your project in your lifetime, first time you are doing in a school. So whatever you've done it, take one of the Xerox copy of with you. Then you come for with school. So once whatever the written test over, Viva over, so they will mark it, then school will keep it. What about your side? That's why make it 2 copies. Once everything is finalized, you take one Xerox copy about your project for your reference, future. You can say, no, later on, see what is my project. That's why 1 copy better you take it. That's what I am usually advising all the students. Okay. That is the idea about the project file. So here, written test and Viva. Written test, okay. Whatever you studied, you have to write according to our accounting ratio. Viva is based upon this project file. So should be very careful how to do project file. So within 1 day we can't do it. That's why it is a time consumption. You have to take your own time. You have to plan. You have to even discuss it with your friends. But no question of same. What you will say? Same relativity, same similarities is not admissible. So if they can examiner will easily identify. So don't make the similarities. Even from the business transaction, you plan yourself. So what business you are planning? Accordingly, how you are going to do. That's what your project. Once you are a businessman, how you are going to do. That's what the idea behind of our project file based upon accounting subject. They planned accordingly. What you understood exactly the concept about accountancy. Okay. So what is the business transaction? How you from the business transaction climax to your balance sheet. So you have to write like this. Okay. So for that, first you have to do rough work. Once everything is over, then only you come for our main notebook. Okay. That's what you can able to do very easily. So here this is the time consumption. So I request all the students. So now you have to start yourself. So once you start only, the confusion will come. Okay. So definitely confusion will come. Otherwise what will happen? Sir, I don't know how to do. So first you have to start yourself. Then only naturally you can understand one by one. Very easily once you start. So accordingly you have to plan. That is a rough work. So first you have to plan to take some 3 or 4 days to fix business transaction. This is the very base. So once the business transaction, once you clear some 45 business transactions is ready, then you can do everything nicely. Journal entry, ledger balancing, our up to trial balance. So the presentation you have to with pencil, scale, whatever the diagram, everything should be very, very important. Even how you are marking, highlighted, how you are highlighting the information, your interpretation, your conclusion, your accounting ratios, underline, semicolon. So the presentation is very, very, very important. Okay. So I hope that you understood some ideas about project file. Project file is very, very important. It is a time consumption. You have to take your own time, but suddenly you can't produce. So for that, you have to start now itself, one by one. Every day you have to plan according to project file. So end of some 15 days or 20 days, you have some idea. Then coming for our main one. Okay. So correction will come. That is don't worry. So confusion always come. So without confusion, never come to the conclusion. Correct. So the confusion whenever come, you can clarify with your teachers like that, then come to the conclusion. Then our project. Okay. Suddenly you can't expect the completion of this file. So day by day we have to improve. Finally, come to the one date. Okay, my project ready. My project file is ready. So then you will be okay. Then you can return test and Viva. It's very easy. So that's what the project file, time consumption. So I request you to all, please be little bit serious in this situation. Okay, you can interact with even your friends. Okay, who are your elders also for discussion, for preparation. So you need doubt clarification with the teacher. So that is very, very important. Any doubt you have to call me. Okay, so how to do the project, any ideas. So once interaction over, then only you can able to understand the project file. Okay. That's what my expectation that to make it like this important points what you discuss inputs. Then you do start your work even when you receive the video, you start the same day. Okay. So I hope that you understood the project file preparation. Okay. So thank you very much.